Hello everyone, today I'm going to paint Echinacea flower. It's like a pink daisy and it looks really amazing. So let's find a picture, a reference picture. Yes, this one is great. I'll keep it as a reference picture. Okay, I'm starting with a rough sketch and I'm giving it my own perspective like a triangle. Yesterday I was watching a video of an artist named Yana, so a sketch inspired me to paint today. Here I am painting. Okay, so my sketch is complete now. I'm going to start it by applying a bit water in the center, and I'm going to use a burnt sienna color on the right side. I'm keeping it light on the right side because the light is coming from the right side. Now I'm started adding purple with the burnt sienna color on the left side and the same shade on the left side of the petals. Don't be so accurate, make it loose. Now I'm adding pink on the right side of the flower and moving towards the left side for giving some extra shade, adding a bit more to give it a proper look. Coming to the second flower, water burnt sienna again on the right side and add some purple to burnt sienna again. Follow the same process like we did for the first flower. Use the same color for the petals. Make it a little rough. Don't be so edgy. Add pink on the right side. And make it loose. Add a big pink on the left side with the burnt sienna color. Use more darker shade of pink for the highlights. Now coming to the third flower, water, burnt sienna, a bit purple on the left, on the petals. Pink on the right, keeping it loose. Adding a bit pink on the edges. using a darker shade of pink with added purple color on the left side because it's the darker area, and we are going to keep it a bit darker. Adding more details with purple and pink from the center of the flower. Make some random lines for the details. A bit of orange will pop up. Yes, adding a bit orange in the center. Now coming to the stems, I'm using a bit lighter shade of green and drawing some abstract, some random lines, not covering the whole page, just keeping it a little dramatic. And my goal is not to cover the whole page. I'm just making random strokes and using darker shades near the petals to give a depth. Some purple, magenta, or pink. Adding some indigo near the petals. You can use pink, gray, olive, indigo near the petals. Up to you. Give it a bit chromatic look. And it will look really good. I'm using a black color to give details in the center, especially on the left side of the flower, because it's the darker area. We have considered it as a darker area. And mixing some burnt cyanide with orange to give a bit 3D look, and using a dark olive color. So now let's make some splashes with olive green or teal, or you can use some darker color. Now I'm going to add some details with my fine liner. Adding some extra details with the fine liner will give it a more interesting look. I wish you good luck. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe my channel if you like my video. Bye.